Welcome to this Cloud Builder exercise on bootstrapping an AWS account. You start by learning about a number of AWS core concepts involved when bootstrapping an AWS account. An Amazon Web Services AWS account is the basic container for all the AWS resources you can create as an AWS customer. AWS accounts have a number of identifiers, such as name, ID, and alias. When you first create an AWS account, you begin with one identity called the root user that has complete access to all AWS services and resources in the AWS account. Do not use the root user for your everyday tasks. AWS features are organized into services. For example, the AWS Identity and Access Management Service provides fine-grained access control across all of AWS. IAM users are AWS account resources that can be used to sign into that AWS account. An IAM user group is a collection of IAM users used to grant permissions for multiple IAM users. You manage access in AWS by using or creating policies and attaching them to IAM identities. AWS multi-factor authentication is a simple best practice that adds an extra layer of protection by additionally requiring an authentication code from a device. The AWS Management Console is a web application that provides a broad collection of service consoles for managing AWS resources. Having learned the core concepts, you will now create an AWS account and a minimal number of resources to secure it. You start by searching the web for AWS Management Console. Having found it, you then press the Create an AWS Account button. You provide a root user email address unique among all AWS accounts. Then you provide an AWS account name. Then you press the Verify Email Address button. You provide your contact information and continue the sign-up process. You provide your billing information and continue the sign-up process. You confirm your identity and continue the sign-up process. You select a support plan and continue the sign-up process. You have created an AWS account. Press the Go to the AWS Management Console button. You sign into the AWS account using the root user email address and password. You are now logged into the AWS Management Console as the root user for the AWS account. Notice that the AWS account name is listed in the upper right corner of the screen. Search for the IAM service and select it. Follow the instructions to add multi-factor authentication to the root user. Select the User Groups menu. Press the Create Group button. Name the IAM user group to Administrators. Search for and select the Administrator Access Policy. Finish the process to create the IAM user group. Select the Users menu. Press the Add Users button. Name the IAM user with Administrator. Select both checkboxes and continue the process. Add the IAM user to the Administrator's IAM user group. Continue the process to create the IAM user. Press the Download CSV button to keep the file for later. Click the IAM link. Click the Create link to create the AWS account alias unique among all AWS accounts. Select the link with the account name in the upper left of the screen. Click the Sign Up button. Sign into the AWS Management Console using the AWS account alias, administrator IAM username, and password. The password is in the downloaded CSV file from earlier. You are now logged into the AWS Management Console as an IAM username administrator. Notice that the IAM username and AWS account alias is listed in the upper right corner of the screen. Now it is time for you to do something by yourself. Enable multi-factor authentication on the administrator IAM user. Here is a tip. Earlier you noticed the IAM user's name listed in the upper right of the screen. Congratulations! You have completed this Cloud Builder level.